Hey, it's Kenneth here with Real Estate Photographer Pro, and I just wanted to do an experiment. And I'm just going to Google another area that's not in our market. So I just Googled Montgomery, Alabama, to see what types of photos are out there. To see if someone is Googling, "Hey, I'm going to move to Montgomery, Alabama. What's for sale?" And here's what I'm seeing. I just here's what came up in Google. So I just clicked on this one. I was just trying to click on a listing service that would give me some photos, and what I wanted to see was what type of photos are out there, and just compare them. You know, it is what it is. I mean, so that's what I'm seeing. I'm not trying to be critical. I'm just looking at if I work and my job is said, hey, they're going to transfer me to Montgomery, Alabama, and I did that for 10 years. I worked for a large company, and we would in 10 years we moved 13 times. So and it was part of the growth. The company, this was many years ago, the company was growing, so we would transfer quite a bit. And sometimes we would move within the community. We didn't move to 13 communities in 10 years, but we moved 13 times in 10 years. So that's what I'm seeing. Let me go back. So that I'm thinking when I see that, that looks like I'm going to see some good photos here. So let's just see. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. I see things I don't like, but that's a photo. The colors are off, just so you know what I'm seeing. These, I got a lot of blues here, and I've got a lot of yellows over here, and I've got an odd blue right here. So I'm just letting you know what I'm seeing. Those aren't bad at all. Home could be prepared a little bit more, but I mean, that's reality. That's what it is. See, um, here's another good reason to shoot with the lights off. A lot of owners never see if their lights are working, so they've got, two lights out. You can digitally replace that, but if you just leave the lights off, two things happen. The colors will be more accurate. When you turn on all these lights, you just turned on a lot of yellow. So things that are white look yellow, and things that are kind of, it just changes the color. So, and also it's showing there's two or three light bulbs not working. Okay, but so let's go one more. I'm just going, I'll go this one here, and I'll go quickly. Okay, obviously these are not professional photos. So you kind of see, so the first three things that came up, two were non-professional, one was professional. And I'm guessing from what I see, half the photos on the market are not professional photos. But I wanted you to see the difference. Even our photos compared to other professional photos, there is a difference because we're trying to deliver the highest real estate quality photos there is. They're not advertising photos. Advertising photos and real estate photos are two different things because in advertising photos, you will remove a lot of things. And it's an advertising photo is not reality. A professionally edited real estate photo should look amazing, but it should be accurate. See, the whites are whites, the blues are blues, the greens are greens. I can see in the room and I can see out of the room at the same time. The lines are straight. Obviously, this house is amazing. It was ready. I wanted to point that out. TV screen replacement. So this is a TV, and the screen's been replaced with a nice photo, but it's also been replaced with a photo that applies to the property that goes along with the property. Part of the story of this property was it, they it's a horse farm. The owners are into horses. Probably the new owners will be into horses. It's perfect for horses. So we have, guess what, on the TV screen, nice horse farm photos. So I'll go to another property just so we're not thinking. So all of our photos are delivered the next day. Here's one here in Columbia, Tennessee, retirement area. I wanted to go in outside photos are easy. You know, everyone should have good outside photos. We do blue sky guarantee, but this was a bright, beautiful day. So there was no reason to replace the sky. But on a rainy day, yesterday it was raining when I was shooting in Linville. We will replace the skies and we guarantee blue sky. And we do that because we replace them. So these are bright. I can see inside. They're level, they're straight. So they're straight from right to left and straight from up and down. And I feel like I'm in the room. They're shot at the right height. You can't shoot too high. You can't shoot too low. I'll see. Uh, Kind of if it's an amateur, they'll shoot too high, and then some real estate photographers, I think personally, shoot too low. They're trying to make the room look bigger, and they get. I personally think you should. Most people sit in a room. You know, if you look at your living rooms, you know, you sit in the room. Let's go. You know, you if you're in the maybe the kitchen, you stand, but most rooms you're sitting in, so you should be shooting from a seated angle, and it also makes all your lines straight. All right, so hopefully you can see the difference in our photos. One thing we do, let's see if I can find an example for you. We do fireplace replacement. We do, we may have done it on this one. This is one in Leaper's Fork. Here, TV screen replacement is free. Blue Sky is free. Next day delivery is free. Wanted to see if I could show you a fireplace. We do fireplace replacement free. We do greener grass for free, not grass replacement. If you want the whole, you know, yard replaced, that is extra. Here's a fireplace replacement here. I don't remember if this one had a TV. I think it did in one of the bedrooms. This was a cabin over by Fayetteville, Tennessee. Here's some digital. I think this one's got some virtual staging on it. We do virtual staging. It's not free, but it's very, very affordable and very effective. So here's this room. So this window was extremely damaged. It was foggy, needed to be replaced, but the owner had passed away. Kids were done with the house. They needed to sell it. So what we did photos out on this balcony overlooking the lake, and then we replaced that window so it's clean. Uh, you know, it's a repair. They chose not to do a fireplace replacement because no one lives here. No one. It's a lake house, and it did sell. They got several cash offers a few weeks ago. I wanted to show you virtual staging. I think that one had it. Let me just page down. Because we also virtually staged it, and that helped. We did floor repair. This room was virtually staged. Let's see if I can show you those right here. Lake photos, exterior photos, virtually staged. Not in this on. They're in another gallery. Let me go to another one here in Columbia that's virtually staged. So you can see the whites are white, the grays are gray. The floor is the correct color. There's no odd, you know, color. They call it color casting. Here's this home. This is virtually staged. So there are the rooms unstaged. And here are rooms that are virtually staged. And you can see these are, they look real. I can't tell looking at that it's virtually staged. I know it's virtually staged because I took it through the virtually staged process. We did a huge, there was a color requirements and things that everybody wanted, and it was a process. So we can help you with virtually staging. This is we can do floor plans. We can do these are 2D floor plans. We can also do 3D floor plans, and we can also do scans, or if you want us to do a 3D walkthrough. But a 2D floor plan is just your basic floor plan. But if you want this colorized and to be like a 3D, so it's a top down view, we can do that too. I've got one on the website, and I'll show you real quick. I think I've got a 2D on the website. Got a two. There's one that's colorized. I need to put a two. Well, maybe I didn't. Sorry about that. I was looking for a 3D version. So that's colorized. Let me go into these. Well, I will hold up there because we're at 11 minutes and you're probably done watching. All right. But let us know if we can help. Uh, Real Estate Photographer Pro, just go right here, click book a photo shoot, book a photo shoot. You can call us, text us, email us. There's the number 615 310 7171. Have a good day.